Hi guys, Audi Sport expert Shahan Wicks here at Audi Midtown. I have a fabulous feature of the week. Here is the 2017 Audi Q3 in a progressive model with the navigation package. Let's take a closer look at this one. So you can see the nice wide single frame grille, the Xenon headlights with the LEDs on this one. Here. It also has the front sensors, part of the progressive package. You have 19-inch 5-arm split wing wheels here with all-season tires. This is a certified pre-owned Audi Q3. What that means is you're getting a 6-year, 160,000 kilometer warranty with this vehicle. Let's take a closer look inside to see what it has. You have the advanced key, so all you have to do is touch and that locks it up. Touch it again just to show you and to unlock. And in here, there we go. Aluminum inlays. Here you have the trunk release there, locks. This vehicle has 43,454 kilometers currently on it. There. Appointed in black leather interior. Let's take a look on the inside. And we're going to start it up. It has the push button start. Down here, let's take a closer look at this here. We have the nav, and with the rotary wheel, we'll pan out here. We can go through last destinations, point of interest, start the route guidance, map, favorites, directory. Let's go back to the map to show you. So navigation comes with it here on that color display on this side, so if we end up putting in an address, so let's just say points of interest, click on that, top categories, next gas station, there, let's just pick one of these, and this is voice activated as well. We'll just start route guidance. You can see over here it'll point the way to where you need to go.
The destination is on a restricted access street.
On there.
Your destination is in the indicated direction.
And if you want to cancel, basically the 4 silver buttons here are the corners of the screen. So we want to go to the bottom left, which is destination. Click on that and click down on cancel. And that cancels our route guidance. You also have radio. Here, satellite radio is part of it. You have dual zone climate control, as you can see, heated seats on that. You also have backup camera with steerable guidelines there, so we can turn the wheel and it's going to turn to show you where you're placing the vehicle. Plus it also has the parking sensors for front and rear on that. So nicely appointed. This one comes standard with a panoramic sunroof. Let's just open the shade here to show you how big this vehicle is for the sunroof on there. All right. So if you have any questions regarding this vehicle, it's nicely appointed, progressive with navs. It's currently listed at $31,890 plus tax and licensing on there. You can always contact me directly at audisportexpert.com or .ca. and we'll go through all the options with this vehicle and set you up with a test drive. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to take another look on the outside. You can see the LED lights are on there for your daytime running light. I'm going to take a look at the back here. Full LED rear tail lights on that. We're going to click down here, and you have the power lift gate with the open and close button, and you can lock it from here as well. Ample room. 40-60 split with a ski pass-through as well. The floor on this can be reversible, so if you have anything wet, you can flip it over and it's a harder surface with a tray on that. You have the cargo shade that's retractable. Just close her down. Backup camera and sensors in the back as well. Nicely appointed, this 2017 Q3 Progressiv. Let me know if you have any questions about it, or if you'd like to know further and set up a test drive. I can be reached at audisportexpert.ca. Thank you.